Well, tonight we're learning more about the investigation into a San Diego police officer accused of groping female suspects and demanding sexual favors.
An attorney for one of the accusers says Officer Chris Hayes carefully selected his targets. As San Diego 6's Derek Stahl reports, more women could soon come forward.
Officer Chris Hayes has bailed out of jail. The four-year department veteran will be in court for the first time next week. Tonight, there are new claims. Hayes handpicked the most vulnerable of victims. 30-year-old Officer Chris Hayes has been accused of inappropriate behavior by 6 women, and more could be on the way.
Yeah, I've already received 2 phone calls this morning.
Attorney Dan Gillian represents a 33-year-old single mother who claims Hayes intimidated her into performing oral sex in his squad car in November 2012. The case is still being reviewed by the district attorney's office. Hayes was arrested and booked Sunday on preliminary charges stemming from the first 4 accusers who say they were groped during pat-down searches.
Right now, it would appear that one of his MOs was to pick on a certain sort of class where if they ever complained, they'd be very unlikely to be believed in the first place. For example, I hear that one of the 4 was a prostitute. I hear that one of the 4 was homeless.
Gillian says that information comes from sources inside the department who have never been wrong. No one answered the door at Officer Hayes' home, which he shares with his wife and 2 children. The latest allegations come 2 years after former Officer Anthony Arevalos was sentenced for soliciting sexual favors, raising new questions about Police Chief William Lansdowne's job security.
My phone has been very busy, and they're all wondering if I'm going to survive this. I said, don't worry about me. It comes with the job of being the chief of police. I'm an at-will employee. I've been an at-will employee for 20 years. I can be released for any reason.
That decision would fall to the next mayor. So far, neither candidate has said definitively what he would do. Hayes will be arraigned February 18th. The charges against him have not been finalized. So far, the city has agreed to pay out $2.3 million to settle lawsuits filed by Arevalos' victims. Attorney Dan Gillian says this case could cost the city even more. Derek Stahl, San Diego 6 News.
Thank you, Derek. Late tonight, the attorney for Officer Chris Hayes gave us this statement. He says, in the days and weeks to come, we will be carefully reviewing the information gathered during the police investigation with a specific focus on the credibility and motivations of the people providing the information. What I know at this point is that Officer Hayes denies the allegations. He is a decorated officer, having demonstrated selfless courage by entering a burning house and rescuing people from inside. The character traits for that level of valor are wholly inconsistent with the nature of these allegations.